In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to push your code to a GitHub repository. This process is essential for anyone working on code projects, whether you're collaborating with others or simply want a secure backup of your work. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to get your project onto GitHub, ready for sharing or future collaboration. Let's begin by setting the stage. Make sure you have Git installed on your machine, as well as an active GitHub account, both of which are necessary for this task. Head over to your project folder on your computer. Once you're there, you're going to open your terminal. This is your command center for executing the steps that follow. First, navigate to your project directory in the terminal by using the command cd, followed by the name of your project folder. This allows you to tell Git exactly where your project files are located, which is crucial for the subsequent steps. Now, if this is the first time you're setting up Git in your project, you will need to initialize it. You can do this by typing git init into the terminal. This command sets up a local repository in your project folder, getting it ready for tracking changes. Next, it's time to stage your files. You'll want to add all your project files to Git staging area to ensure everything is included in your first commit. Use the command git add. The dot at the end is important as it tells Git to add all files in the current directory. With those files staged, you're ready for the next step, which involves creating a commit. A commit serves as a snapshot of your project at this moment in time. Execute git commit chaquem initial commit to make this first commit. The message in quotations is a brief description of the changes, helping you and others understand what this commit represents in the future. We switch focus to GitHub. You'll need to create a new repository on GitHub. Navigate to your GitHub account and click on New Repository. Enter a name for your repository, and once it's set up, copy the URL provided. It will look something like https://github.com/username/myproject.git. This URL is crucial as it serves as the bridge between your local project and the GitHub repository. With the URL in hand, return to your terminal to connect your local project to this newly created remote repository. You'll do this by entering git remote add origin, followed by the URL you copied from GitHub. This command establishes a link between your local repository and the GitHub one, allowing them to communicate effortlessly with each other. Finally, you're ready to push your code onto GitHub. Use the command git push u origin master, or git push u origin main, depending on your default branch name. This uploads your local commits, effectively uploading your project files to GitHub for the first time. And that's it. You've now successfully pushed your code to GitHub. This process safeguards your hard work, makes it accessible from anywhere, and sets the stage for further collaboration down the line. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guide was helpful and look forward to seeing you in the next video.